Hi everyone, I am Anchisa from Ling. Today I will be teaching you another Thai lesson, which is the Thai question words. And I will give you the method of how to ask question in Thai. Thai does not use punctuation marks in its writing, which include question marks. So when you written Thai and you want to ask the question, you don't put the question marks after the question. And I will tell you where to put the question word. First of all, Thai are different from another language because the place where you place a question words will be at the end, not in the first. So if in the English, we will start with the question word, so you will know that this is the question coming. But in Thai, we will set you first, and then we will following with the question words. For example, if you want to ask for something, and you will name that thing first, and then following with question word. For example, in English, where is the book? The books will be at the last, and where will be first. But in Thai, it will be the book is where. So this is how the different. But we also have one exemption, which is why. Why will be the same as in English. That why will always be at the first, and one more for Thai, it can be at the last out of sentence. For example, why are you sad? Or you're sad, why? Something like this. Uh, I will start to teach you the Thai question words. The first word is cry or who. These, for in Thai sentence, who cry will be at the end of the sentence. For example, ผู้ชายคนนั้นคือใคร which mean who's that man. The next word is กับใคร. It's like the combination of two words but give you a different meaning. With this one it means whom. So for example, คุณไปดูหนังกับใคร which mean whom did you go for a movie with. Next ของใคร. This word is asking for the owner. You know, in Thai sometimes you don't have to name the thing or anything. You can just like ของใคร and it's mean like who's this belong to, you know. But for this I will give you an example. รถคันนั้นของใคร or whose car is that. อะไร This word is very popular in Thai. We use it for almost every questions. For example, คุณทำงานอะไร What do you do for a living? Or you can, same as before, you can just ask อะไร for like what, you know. Just it be its own sentence, so you don't have to put any word or any word for it. Next ที่ไหน mean where. ตอนนี้คุณอยู่ที่ไหน Where are you right now? Or if you want to ask like if you having a meeting with your friends, so like you want to ask where you want to meet, right? You're not going to say where you want to meet, you're going to say where. So it's ที่ไหน. Next เมื่อไหร่ is when. For example, คุณจะกลับบ้านเมื่อไหร่ When will you come home? Next อันไหน which. อันไหนอร่อยกว่ากัน Which one is more delicious? ทำไม Why? As you can notice, ทำไม or why word will be at the first of the sentence. So is ทำไมคุณมาสาย or why are you late? อย่างไร คุณทำอย่างไร How did you do that? How did you cook it? And there will be other words to ask about Thai question words. ใช่ไหม This can be the repeating question itself. For example, if you want to make sure something is right, so it'd be like, right? ใช่ไหม Isn't it? And for example of the sentence, คุณชอบเพลงคลาสสิกใช่ไหม This means classical is your type of music, isn't it? Next word ไหน It's like curious about something. For example, ไหนบอกว่าจะไปโรงเรียน You said you have to go to school. It's like uh you didn't go, but you said you have to, so why? Something like that. And that's all for this week. And if you have any questions, please leave the comment and then I will try to answer it out. And if you want to learn more about Thai language, you can watch my previous video. Thank you. Bye bye.